Yes, good morning, class 8. Hope you all are fine and well. And today we are going to start with adverbs and adverbials. But before we start, I would like to share with you the next activity for the young warriors. Okay, that you have to do. As I have sent in the young warriors group that you have to formulate a comic strip. Okay, you can take, for example, you can take here the chalks. Okay, so you can take a page, any size, no hard and fast rule, and on it you have to make comic strip. For example, you must have seen it in, you can say, the newspapers. Okay, the small cartoons in which one is speaking the dialects, you can make a small picture here. Okay, and this is what he is speaking. You can write it down in this manner. You have to make a comic strip. And now, the next thing is that what topic you will include. Okay, what you will include, you will think about a challenge you faced. Okay, challenge you faced during COVID and how you overcome it. Okay, for example, in the first, precautions on how any challenge you faced. For example, like you can say, in the first dialogue, you can write that, oh, how depressing the scene is. Okay, I'm feeling very sad today. I don't have anything to do. In the next step, you will make, your mom will come out an idea. Hey, come on, let's bake a cake. So mother will say, take this. In this manner, you will make it out. And finally, you have come out of that challenge of, you can say of feeling free. Okay, otherwise in studies, what challenge you had during that time, how you overcame it, it depends upon you. Okay, so make this comic strip. Okay, you can make it black and white, you make it colored also, and then send it to me. While sending, don't make PDF, please. Okay, on the comic strip here, write down your name. For example, rhythm 8th D, and mention the name Swami Sandas Public School. Okay, and don't make PDF, send the photograph to me either in the group or on my personal contact. Okay, so these entries should reach to me by Sunday evening, right? So you have time, you can do that. So this is the young warriors activity. And now coming up to the main topic today we are going to do is adverbs. So what is an adverb? Okay, so what is an adverb? Bring chalk from next. Yes. So what is an adverb? Suppose I write down, he writes neatly. He walks gracefully. The project is quite impressive. Okay, quite impressive. Now, what are these? What are these? These are, you can say, you know what are the different parts of the speech? Okay. These apples are very juicy. So here in this case, these are the subjects, right? Okay, subjects. You know, these are the verbs. This is helping verb. Okay, so the words here, neatly, gracefully, quite, and very. What are these? Adverbs. Why they are called as adverbs? Yes, they are adding some more meaning or some quality to that of, in case of verb. For example, this is verb, how he walks gracefully. Okay, in verb also, in adjective, this is adjective. Okay, or to another adverb also. Okay, so these are called as adverbs. What are these? These are called as adverbs. Right? Clear? So you got to know what are adverbs. For example, he is sitting quietly at the end of the desk. Okay, so how he is sitting? Quietly. So it means that the main verb is sitting, and how he is sitting? Quietly. So quietly is adding more meaning to that of the verb. Okay, so these are called as adverbs. Okay, so next afterwards we are having different type of adverbs. Of adverbs. So first of all, we are having adverb of time. Time. What this adverb tells us? It tells us about the time. Okay, means it tells about time. It means when the action took place. For example, hmm, hmm, hmm. For example, he arrives late. He left his house early. Okay, it tells us about time, late, early. Okay, in the morning. That is adverb here. Okay, right? Okay, early, late, now, then, tonight. These are the examples. For example, we have a party tonight. Yes, we can have now, then. Okay, so these are examples of adverb of time. Then we have adverb of place. Now, adverb of place, it tells about where the action takes place. Specific place. For example, I have played, yes, he's playing outside the garden. Okay, there is a dog outside the door. Huh? Yes, inside. Put it inside your pocket. Into is preposition. In front of is also, it is preposition. Okay, so but it depends how it is used. Okay, it depends how it is used. So now this is adverb. Next is adverb of manner. So what is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner tells us how, yes, how the action or how the work took place. It tells us how. For example, he walks fast, quietly. Okay, he is quietly entering the house. Okay, yes, quiet is used to in different types. Okay, quiet is also showing the degree. Okay, it is also, but here it is, but here it is used as quietly, not quite. That is different. Okay, right? So clear? Huh? Gracefully, yes, gracefully, beautifully, nicely. He writes nicely. He walks gracefully. Okay. Huh? Fast, yes, fast. He walks fast. Fast, although mostly adverbs they are having ly at the end, but it is not necessary always. Fast is also without ly, but still it is used as an adverb. Okay, how it is used? That it is used as an adverb. Clear? Yes. Next, we are having that of adverb of degree. Okay, so adverb of degree means it shows us the extent, how much. Okay, how much or how little. How much or how little. Very, extremely, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. Huh? Yes, the tea is extremely hot. Okay, very, extremely. Okay, it shows the degree that how much it is done. Okay, so in this case you will have, for example, as we have taught, yes, quite. Okay, this is quite hot. Okay, this is quite hot. Okay, we were rather uncomfortable. I really don't trust him. Or I'm absolutely fine. Completely. Okay, or you can say completely is also an adverb. Okay, right? I'm completely impressed by your way of talking. Okay, right? Or deeply also. I felt, you can say, I'm feeling deep. Huh? Okay, I'm deeply influenced by your words. So here now when she is saying I am deeply. So this is, I will tell you when we will talk about the position of adverbs. Yes, yes. You can put how much, then the word which is giving the answer of how much, that is exactly the answer of the question. Okay. That is finally the answer of the question, right? Frequency. Next we have frequency. Yes. So next afterwards, which what we are having adverb of frequency. We are having adverb of frequency. Yes, it tells how many times. How many times? For example, there are number of ways to come out of this. Okay, take this medicine twice a day. Okay, thrice a day, once a week, once a while. Okay, so these are examples of what? These are examples of adverb of frequency. Then adverb of reason, why this is happening. Okay, why? It is not there, but it can be adverb of reason. And some are there where we are asking questions: what, where, when, how this happens. Okay, so there is one new adverb mentioned in your books, that is adverb of modality. Modality means it tells us what? It tells us about the feelings of the speaker, how the speaker feels. For example, I'm hopefully looking for a new job. It means how he is feeling. He is feeling hopeful. Yes, we can, but it is rarely used. I have read it only in this book. Otherwise, in most of the books, it is not given adverb of modality. Okay, there mainly adverb of reason and as well as adverb of, you can say, question words it is given, right? Okay, so these are adverbs. So any doubt to any student, you can raise up your hand side by side. And now next afterwards, we are talking about adverb, position of adverbs. Okay, where they are always kept. Let us see. Now adverbs, position of adverbs. So position of adverbs. First of all, adverb of time, place, and manner. Where they are placed? They are placed at the end. At the end mainly. Okay, at the end. For example, he came late. Okay, place. I have placed it outside. Okay, after the verb mainly. Okay, okay, manner. She walks gracefully. Okay, she presented the flowers elegantly. Okay, so mainly it is placed at the end. After, sometimes, very rarely. Okay, it depends, but mainly the position of adverb, place and manner, it is always at the end. Okay, next is adverb of frequency. Where it is placed? It is placed between subject and verb. It is placed between subject and verb. For example, he often comes to my house. See, often is frequency, subject and verb. Right? Okay. Any other example by you? Regularly. He regularly watches TV. Regularly submits his work on time. Okay. She never understand me. She never understands me, or they always They always insist on their points, right? So what are these? These are all examples of adverb of frequency. Insist is verb, doing verb. Insist means to force someone. Okay, right?
Grandfather take medicines twice.
Hmm? My father takes medicines. Hmm. It is at the end. Okay, but most of the times. Okay. Now next afterwards we are having when there are forms of be. This example that she has told. Okay. When there is form of be. When, for example, with form of be, what are form of be? For example, is, was, and, are, you know. Okay, right? So it is placed after the verb. Where it is placed after verb. How it is placed after verb? Yes, how it is placed after verb. For example, she said, I am deeply impressed. Okay, anything can be there. So here this is form, and after that what is there? Adverb is, okay, I'm extremely sorry for my behavior. Okay, she was, for example, she was beautifully dressed up in a gown. Okay, so in this manner, when there are forms of be, that is and was, then what is there? These questions are very easy, very good. Okay, so here R is again form of what? It is again form of what? It is again form of be. So where it is placed? It is again placed after verb. Okay, right? So clear this is? So when it is, you can say it is qualifying any adjective. For example, this is quite juicy. So it comes before the adjective. Or if it is, you can say, see, these apples are quite juicy. Okay, so it means that here juicy is adjective and adverb is before that. It is qualifying an adjective, so it is placed before that adjective. So if I write down, he walks very fast. Fast is also adverb. Fast is also, and very, yes, most of the times. And very is adverb of degree. It means if it is modifying an adjective and adverb, it is placed before that adjective and adverb. Where it is placed before that adjective or adverb. Clear now? Yes. Okay, fine. So next afterwards, we are having, now any doubt in adverbs? It's clear. So now next afterwards we are having adverbials. What? I am? Huh? Deeply? No, I am deeply impressed. ये जो आपने कही थी ना example you have told. So when the forms of be is there, verb, adverb is placed after this verb. Okay, clear? Deeply, degree. It will be in degree. Okay. So next we are having adverbials. What are adverbials? Adverbials, they are also called as adverb phrase. Now meaning is clear. Phrase means group of words. For example, or he fought with the enemy heroically. Okay, so if I want to explain it in group of words heroically, what you will write down? He fought with the enemy in a heroic manner. Okay, I am deeply impressed. I'm impressed in a deep manner. Okay, right? So in this manner, when the group of words, they do the job of an adverb or they work as an adverb, these are called as adverbials. For example, now different type of adverbials. Adverbial of time. Chalo, speak out the example. For example, time, here, there. For example, adverb of time, here, there, outside, inside. Now I told, for example, I have placed it outside the garden. It is group outside the garden. Okay, come inside the class. Okay, put it into the box. This is group time I'm talking. Okay, sorry, I'm talking, yes. These are of adverb of place, right? Okay, next afterwards we are having adverbial of time. Give in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, before the bell. Okay, so group of words come to my house in the evening. After the class, okay, I'll meet you after the class. Okay, so what are these? These are group of words specifying a time.
Yes,
So these are what? These are adverbial of time. Okay, next is adverbial of manner. This I have given the example. Heroic manner. Okay, for example, heroically, beautifully, in a beautiful way, in a beautiful manner. Okay, impressive, in an impressive manner, in a graceful manner. Okay, so in this manner. So for example, we are having, next is adverbial of frequency. Adverbial of frequency, how we have number of times it happens. Twice a day, thrice a day, once a week, once a while he comes. Huh? Usually, regularly is adverb. Adverbial means group of words. Okay, in a usual manner. Then it is adverbial of this frequency. In a regular way or in a regular manner, again it is frequency. Then we have adverbial of degree. Huh? Next is purpose they have. Okay, adverbial of purpose. Why? For example, I have purchased it for my son. For my son is purpose. I am eating, so okay, for my life. Cause and purpose. Okay, right? Understood now? So these are adverbials. How you have to remember that these are only group of words. Phrase for my friend. Okay, so these are the examples of adverbials. Okay, so now let us do the examples of it. Page number is, open up your books, grammar books on page number 46. And the first exercise is on page number 47. Page number is 47. Okay, and those students online ones who want to participate in discussion, just raise up your hands. Shati, you are also unmuted. Okay, so let us discuss the exercise given here. Right? So what we have, first is this exercise extremely difficult. We have to find extremely, which adverb it is? Adverb of degree, right? My daughter likes to play outside. Adverb of
Outside. Outside place.
place.
Outside adverb of place.
Right. Outside is place. Next, he is often late for. Often is.
Often.
Time.
Oh no. Frequency, number of times.
Yes.
His sister is quite gullible.
Degree, quiet.
Degree. Quite is degree, right?
Quiet.
Petal is probably at work.
Probably.
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 It is frequency.
Ma'am, frequency.
Frequency because
Adverb of frequency.
what probably means most of the times. Rajiv will never be satisfied. Never.
Satisfied.
Satisfied, no. Not satisfied, it is verb. It is never.
Never frequency.
Frequency. Next, she speaks English fluently.
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 Frequency.
Manner.
Manner. It's
Adverb of manner.
how she speaks. It's manner. Next, ask him to please go away. Away is,
Go away.
Go away.
Away.
away is place.
Place.
She visits her mother occasionally.
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 Occasionally means
Frequency.
number of times of frequency. He has unusually large feet.
Unusually.
Unusually.
Manner.
Next,
Adverb of manner.
fortunately, the neighbors were there to help.
Fortunately.
Fortunately.
Means luckily.
Manner.
Means it is manner. And there is adverb of place. Next, Seema left for London yesterday.
Yesterday. Adverb of time.
Right. Sonu was really excited on her birthday.
Excited manner.
Excited
Adverb
manner.
of manner.
Degree. It's degree. Really means how deep. Next, frankly, I don't care.
Frankly.
Frankly.
Manner.
Frankly.
Frankly,
Adverb
Adverb of
manner.
manner.
manner. Right. Next is Hina always takes the
Always.
always is frequency. Means he is often coming. Okay. Next is Huma will always miss you. Always is
Always.
miss. Miss. It is.
Adverb of frequency.
Okay. So next part we will discuss tomorrow, and adverbial phrases we have done this we will also discuss tomorrow, and then we will have adverbial clauses. This I will explain tomorrow, and we will complete this exercise. Okay. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you are most welcome to ask me. Okay. And for today's lecture, I hope that most of the students have got. Okay. So that's all. And young warrior students, send your activity by Sunday. So that's all for today. Have a nice day to you all.